Hey guys, so today's video is going to be all about the hot cocoa station. So to start off, I'm going to be wiping down the counter with my Method All-Purpose, and this is in, I think, lemongrass and eucalyptus. I'm not sure. It'll be linked in the description box, but I'm just going to be wiping this down with a microfiber towel. And then we're going to get started. I'm so excited. I definitely had a few of you guys request to see how I was going to be decorating the hot cocoa station this year, so I feel like this will be a really good vlogmas video. So you guys, these are all the items that I'm going to be using. I have some garland that I actually double wrapped because it was super thin and super long, so I just tied it together so it'll be shorter and thicker. And then I have this sleigh ride sign that I got from Target, and it was $3. Super cute, and it matched my theme perfectly. I thought this was a really cute addition. And these are two tea light candle holders that I'm going to be using to stand the sign up on. This jar that I have the popcorn in is from Hobby Lobby, and it was $3.99 in the store, but of course I had a 40% off coupon, so I definitely used it. Same with this one for the marshmallows. It was, let me see, $2.49, and I also used a 40% off coupon for that as well, so it was whatever that price was going to be. And then this is a little wine glass, and I have the little coffee stirrers in it. I got that from Target. I think it was $1 for 8. And then this tray I got from TJ Maxx, and it was $9.99. This right here is from IKEA. I don't even know what you call it, but it just has different condiments, compartments. And then this hot cocoa sign I got from Target as well, and it was $3. I wish I would have showed you guys the price of everything, but some of the stuff didn't have the price on it. This candle is from IKEA as well. And then this jar right here has like some wafer cookies and cream sticks in it, and I got this jar from Marshall's, and it was $4.99 if I'm not mistaken. And then I just have this cup that has something on the front of it, but I'm just gonna use the back of it so you can't see it. It's just a plain black coffee mug. So let's get started. So I wasn't really sure if I wanted to like explain how I did this, because it's kind of self-explanatory when you just like watch. It's not really a lot that goes into this. Just to know that it did take me about an hour to do this, just because I had to lay everything out and figure out how I wanted to place it, just so it wouldn't take me too long to film this video. But let me see. So I started working on the station at 1:49 a.m. And then I did not finish until 2:26 a.m. So it took me about an hour. Well, not really an hour. It took me probably about 45, maybe 50 minutes. I don't know. We're just gonna say an hour. It took me an hour, okay? So I basically just wrapped the garland around the little, little bar nook area. It's really not a lot. I'm getting tongue tied because it's like I don't even know how to explain this, because it's really not a lot to explain. However, I did want to let you guys know that I ended up using these candle holders to put the sign on, just because I didn't want the plugs to show as much. Like, you see how you guys can see the plug, like I'm pointing to it. When you put the candle holders on there or right there and put the sign on top of it, it kind of makes the candle sit up a little, I mean, not the candle, it makes the sign sit up a bit higher, therefore you don't see it as much. You're probably still going to see it, but it's not going to be as visible as it would be without the candle holders. So I was like, well, this is a little hack, you know what I'm saying? Especially since I'm leaning it up against something. So you see how now you can barely see it, like, I really did that. But now I'm just going to put this little tray with the condiment holders, containers, jars, whatever you want to call them. It just has some sugar and chocolate chips in it. I didn't know what else to put in them, so I just left it like that. And you guys are gonna see me kind of like play with this because I wasn't sure how much over I wanted the Keurig to be, but I just kept going back and forth. But eventually I just left it alone. You know how it is when you're like trying to set some stuff up and it's just like, you know how you want it to look, but because there are cords back there, you kind of have to like turn things to so that the cords doesn't show. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. It's really hard for me to explain stuff that's not makeup. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like before I start adding the rest of the things. So I just put the hot cocoa sign up there. Of course pointing towards the Keurig, of course, because if I had it on the other side, they would be like, where's the hot cocoa in the refrigerator? And now I'm just gonna lay the tray. I always lay the tray in like a diamond shape rather than, you know, in a square shape, just because I don't know, I just feel like it adds like some dimension. Like it just looks a bit different than like laying the tray just normal. And then I put the jar up here and I was just like, no, that's not doing it for me. So I ended up putting it back there, and I almost felt like it looked a little too crowded with the mixer up there, but I was kind of just like, whatever, like it is what it is. So I added a candle, of course, the IKEA candle. Y'all bear with me with this video. I need to find a better tripod so that I can just sit the camera down and just record what I'm doing, but until I do, I have to hold the camera, so sometimes stuff is not going to be in the view. But yeah, this is just how I set the thing up. It just really wasn't that hard. It's just putting the stuff, you know, on the trays up there, you know what I'm saying? So you guys, it is the next morning and I totally forgot that I purchased these sprinkles from TJ Maxx. You guys can see them. I purchased these from TJ Maxx a little while ago, and I totally forgot they were upstairs in the bag still, but they were $2.99. But now that I'm down here looking at them like against everything else, I feel like I would just much rather get like some chocolate sprinkles, like brown sprinkles or white sprinkles, because the red is throwing the vibe off. It was looking very like rustic, you know, and now it's giving me super Christmassy. And I love Christmas. Y'all know I love Christmas, but I'm not a fan of the Christmas colors. So if I'm gonna decorate, it's probably gonna be, you know, with the green before it's with the red, because red screams Christmas. And definitely red and green. So I chose to go with the green, but more of like the garland green. So like even the sign, it's like a dark green. It's not like an olive, well, not an olive green, but more of a forest green. It's not like Christmas emerald green, you know what I mean? So I think I might try to go find some other sprinkles and then come back and let you guys know what the finished product looks like, because I personally don't like this. Like I just don't like it. It just doesn't even go with the theme. Like I feel like if I had this, I may as well have put like some red and all that, some like somewhere else on here, and it just, I don't know, just throwing the vibe off. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Like this looks better than this. Like even if the label was off, which I, you know, always take the label off, it should still throw my vibe off. So I'm gonna try to go find some more sprinkles and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so it is November the 3rd and you guys are going to be getting this video in about an hour from now. So I finally got back and I found some sprinkles that I liked better for this, and you guys saw them at the store, but these are the ones I picked. They are gingerbread men. So yeah, I feel like they go with the scheme a little bit more than the red and red and green. Dang, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, I was looking at some silver and white ones. You guys saw that too, but yeah, no, I didn't like it, and I didn't think that it would pop on this up against like the marshmallows and stuff. So I just went ahead and got these. Plus it has the wooden cork, so it kind of matches the wooden frame of the picture. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on and show you guys the finished look of the hot cocoa station. So you guys, this is the finished look with the lights on, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like with the lights off. Super cute, super cozy, and just like so cute. I'm so happy with how it came out this year, because you guys know my tree, it doesn't have color on it, so it kind of just flows with the tree. So I'm really happy with it. I know I look a mess, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also let me know down below in the comment section what other videos you guys want to see from me this month for Vlogmas. I need some ideas because you guys, I have to do this for 25 days straight. So, you know, we're 3 days down, 22 days to go. Okay, so let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want to see from me, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye y'all.